Yeah. Okay, yeah. Hello, people of the world. You're here with Gab I, and today we're going to be doing some food testing from the beautiful island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. I basically came back with some of these foods. Some we can get here, some we can't. As you can see, the Coca-Cola is what gave me the idea of trying this video. So
yeah, we'll see what it tastes
You
like.
know-
I haven't tasted Coca-Cola for a long time. They've kind of annoyed me.
Yeah,
so I
but-
don't drink it for a while, but we'll
Yeah.
see.
Yeah.
They've personally annoyed me. I will not say why.
I obviously brought this bottle of cola back for Gab because she is a Coca-Cola addict, or should I say cola addict. So she loves her cola. Me, I'm personally a Pepsi person, Pepsi Max. I know generally people are on one side of the fence or the other. But yeah, we've got some interesting foods here and some Tic Tacs and stuff we don't actually see here. But some foods we do see here.
Yeah, but can you see this? Not the same size. Not impressed.
So we'll see how we go. Anyway, what do you want to start off with first, Gab? What do you think?
Fritters?
Doritos? Alright, let's give this one a go. So what we have here is a packet of sweet chili pepper flavoured Doritos corn chips. Those corn chips, yeah? So let's give this one a go, yeah?
Where's my napkins?
No.
Oh, we'll sit there.
No, we'll see how we go. What do you reckon? Yeah, you like it? I haven't actually tried this, so...
Considering I don't like nothing, it's pretty good.
They're pretty nice.
Yeah, pretty good.
And sweet, but a little bit tangy. And this
I find them more sweet than anything.
reminds me of those light and tangy chips. What are they? Thins? Thins? Yeah, it tastes a bit like them, but they're corn flavoured chips. I like them. Have another one.
Mine now.
No, 7 flavour. Alright, what have we got next? What do you want to do? Well, since you chose, I will choose Twisties. These little packet of Twisties. What do we got here? You want to introduce them?
That's it. Twisties, the big cheese. What's it? Export. Yeah.
Okay. Wonder what's the difference to the Twisties we get here in Australia, but...
Give me a stage and I'll show you a good time. That's what it says right here.
Well, you better give me a good time then.
I hope you're talking to the Twisties. I can't even get them open.
Come on, man.
Give me the ones I can't open. Everybody knows Twisties are notoriously hard to open.
Alright, 2,000 years later.
I give up. Yeah, I got weak girly hands.
Oh, they are a bit tough. Yeah.
And you were picking on me.
Look at this. You know what?
Yeah, who was picking on who? Told you about the Twisties are notoriously hard to open. You first, you wanted to try them.
Alright. Pretty plain. Pretty bland. Is there any
But we
flavour
just
to
had
it?
this sweet, spicy one. There's some flavour, but not much.
What do they taste like? Do they really taste like raw pasta?
Kind of tastes like pasta, yeah.
If you want to...
Slight cheese flavour.
Yeah. You're pretty stingy on the cheese flavouring, I reckon.
Yeah. This is flavoured corn snacks.
Alright.
Oh look, it said tear here. See, we're both stupid.
I did tear down the side, just not where it told us to tear, but yeah.
Alright.
Okay, what do you
What?
want to do?
I mean, I want a drink. I'm thirsty.
Yeah, let's
I got my drink. How about you?
Your drink.
You know what I'm like. This is one drink for me for one day.
Yeah. A bit more than that, though, yeah?
Yeah, I usually drink a 2 litre a day.
Yeah. What's it going there? And then Maurice.
Coca-Cola did themselves when they annoyed me, so I didn't drink cola anymore. Every day for years and years, from when being this little, drinking one of there, taking this to bed with me every night, full to the top. Now I don't even drink it. I just drink cola.
Maurice. I guess that says Go Mauritius. This is probably a promotional bottle for the Indian Ocean Games.
How much you want?
Oh, just give us half, just a little bit. Just want to taste it. Yeah. That's enough.
I said say when.
When. Alright, let's see what you think of it. You're gonna smash that all down, because don't forget you still gotta.
Yeah, I know.
You are colour addict. Yeah.
Oh, it tastes like LA cola.
Really?
Yeah. Doesn't taste like normal cola.
Well, it is a different, same recipe, but is it same recipe as the Australian?
No, because we got out of. If you pass me that bottle over there, that nearly empty one, you can find out.
Oh, okay. We'll have a look.
This one's original. What's that one?
This is the classic.
So that's different.
Okay.
As far as I know, that's supposed to be sort of like imitation Pepsi flavour.
Alright, well then it's not quite Coca-Cola then, is it?
No. Because Coca-Cola was getting taken over by Pepsi.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure someone will tell me I'm wrong in the comments.
Alright, let's give this one a swig first.
You don't want to. It's pretty old.
I just want to taste the flavour.
Still like this one better because it tastes like LA cola.
Alright, let's taste this.
Excuse me. You know I'm going to chug this, right?
You go for it. I don't know. Why don't you say something to wash it down and we'll crack open a Pepsi later?
Fine. My mum always tells me I sound like a dolly drain when I drink.
Actually not bad.
My turn to pick something. My turn.
Yeah, just trying to think. It tastes like LA cola. It tastes a bit better, a bit more refreshing.
Yeah. My turn to pick something.
Alright, go for it. What do you want to do next?
I want Pringles.
Really? Alright.
Look at the size of the Pringle can that you get from there, and the size of the Pringle can you get in Australia. Like, I feel so ripped off.
You actually do it? Yeah. Well, it is actually different. It's like.
It's from different
different countries
manufacturing it, but like, come on, Pringles.
So what? This one in Australia is manufactured in. I don't think it's actually made here. It's just imported here. I think I've seen here before. It's actually Malaysia.
It's got here imported by Pringles International. I can't read for crap.
Yeah.
Blah, 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 blah. Auckland, New Zealand.
No. Is that imported or? That's distributed by Kellogg's in New Zealand. What have we got here? I did read somewhere here.
Oh, nobody cares.
Anyway, that one's made in Belgium, so and it's actually 40 grams.
All that matters
bigger.
is that one's smaller and this one's bigger.
And we get ripped off in Australia.
What's new?
Oh yeah, made in Malaysia. There you go. So we get Malaysian Pringles in Australia, and in Mauritius they get Belgian Pringles. I already worked that one out before I got it. But yeah. So there you go.
Well, the same size, just bigger can.
Alright. Was it eat it, don't wear it? Something like that?
Yeah. Tastes the same.
Yeah. Not really a big Pringles person. They're alright. Just tastes like
I like
potato
original
chips.
flavour.
But they are, aren't they? It's supposed to be potato chips? Yeah, I don't know.
Because it's a bigger can, they get more.
Hmm?
They get more.
Yeah.
Well, this is 175,
And that is 130.
134.
Mm.
Yeah, and so right there, right there, right there.
Show it to the camera. They can't see that.
You go show it to the camera. They
Yeah.
still won't see that.
Anyway.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright. Do you want to go into a confectionery or you go into these twisties and knock them out?
Chocolate last.
Alright.
It was in my teeth.
Alright. Since we already had cheese twisties, why don't we get these chicken twisties called roast chicken dance. Now we normally have chicken twisties, but yeah, let's see what these ones are about.
Yeah, you can open them and I get to pick on you this time.
These are made in Malaysia. So you can find in Mauritius, generally everything's imported. It's such a small island, they can't afford to make
Now you
everything
can't
there.
open the twisties.
Oh, come on. I think this is because they're all imported stuff. They're bloody...
Nah, it's a twisty thing.
Alright, begin.
2 for it, bog in, don't wait.
Right, that's right. What do you reckon?
Tastes like chicken stock. Could use more chicken flavour.
Yeah, it seems like that with all this stuff. It's not as much flavouring, but still not bad. Actually, I prefer these better than the Australian ones. Because after you get halfway through a pack, it gets pretty salty.
I like salty. I am salty.
You are salty. You are a salty person.
Yep.
It's like eating Maggi chicken noodles with just not as much flavouring.
Yeah.
But I like that. I'd rather that. Yeah, so Australian twisties don't put so much saltiness in it.
Oh, rubbish. More salt. More salt.
You don't even eat that stuff, so what are you complaining about?
You don't even eat the other twisties either. You shut up. There's something for you to beat.
Alright. Well, you're next. Yeah,
You want to try Pepsi?
sort of do.
Or do you want to try this? This
Why
or
is it
Pepsi?
Let's finish them off. And what we got to do? Make these noodles next, or?
Yeah, I'll go microwave them. My turn.
Getting over this Coca-Cola.
Hola.
It's Coca-Cola! Coca-Cola!
I'll tell you this, twisties. Can you make it a little easier to open?
Alright.
What are they? Was it twisties, cheddar, oh, is it? Cheeky cheddar cheese.
They're cheeky, are they?
Apparently.
A little bit cheeky.
Oh, it's better than those ones.
Yeah, that's
This is
good.
better than this. But this is the best one so far.
Oh, there you are. I think we'll give a verdict at the end. Which one's our favourite packet of chips?
Too late.
Just... Oh, you do enjoy them, don't you? How would they compare to the Australian ones?
Oh no, I haven't eaten them for a while.
Everything doesn't have a strong flavour.
Stingy. Stingy on the flavouring.
Yeah, but I don't mind that. No. Yeah, I like it. But there's more. I like the flavour of this. More
I like
flavour.
this. I like this. Out of all the twisties, I like this one best. Okay.
No. Yeah, they are better.
Obviously.
All right, then. What's next?
Oh, this one. Good.
Yeah.
Oh, fine.
After. Save that for after. All right. What have we got? Nutella
What with
Ferrero.
Pepsi was next?
Oh yeah.
Want that or you want Pepsi?
Save the Pepsi for the end. I still got lip.
I can't even say what I think about Pepsi. Pepsi will tell me off.
Yeah, keep it to yourself. Pepsi's the bomb.
Was it? You haven't got anything nice to say. Don't say anything at all.
Yeah, YouTube will love you. Go on.
Well, you should all love to like give me some nasty comments in the comments section. We'll go for it because you'll be wasting your time because I ain't reading that.
Yeah, guys, let us know your thoughts. Basically, and don't forget to subscribe. Or should I say that at the end? Should I say that at the end? I'm not a. Yeah, you're the YouTube expert, so yeah.
What? Because I watch it all day long.
Alright, so they come individually packed. Never seen these in Australia, so.
Excuse me.
Oh, that's lovely. Very ladylike.
But I'm not a lady.
Yeah, you're Australian.
I'm a bogan.
Sure, a few people have something to say about that. Be interesting to see what you say they say in the comments. So you can break these off and share them with your friends.
Oh yeah, look, they got little like bits there, and then they got like little marks on the back. It smells good. Oh, yours broke already.
Yeah, it's like some wafer.
Yeah, it is
Wafer. And we're probably
Ooh.
Nutella in it.
I think I'm gonna like this.
Mmm.
And I don't usually like chocolate and stuff. Good.
Definitely for the Nutella lovers.
But I like Nutella. Remember when I was a little kid? Mum
Yeah.
used to tell me I put it, and I'd climb up on the bench, up to the next cupboard, get Nutella out, and they used to come in the glasses, so like this size, and sit there with a spoon.
And eat out the jar like every other kid. Yeah, I was a bit.
But I did a few other things that other kids wouldn't do as well. Kind of really partial to soy sauce.
I'll tell you what though, I'd rather eat Nutella like this than to eat it out of the jar, or you know how you get the little tub containers with the little spatula to eat it, you know? Remember
Yeah,
as
but
a
they
kid?
don't. They give you those hard biscuit things. This would be better.
Well, you don't get it with that. You're confused with Yan Yan.
No, sometimes you get them with the hard
Yeah.
biscuit now.
But yeah, the Nutella is also much softer compared to when you get in the little satchel containers, which is nice because it melts. It really melts in your mouth.
But there is a bit of a big air pocket in there.
Yeah, Australia, bring this down here. Bring it down under.
Who makes it? What, Nestle, isn't it?
No, it's
Who makes it? Nutella?
Nutella, yeah, Ferrero.
Send this to Australia. Good.
Good
It's
stuff. So where is this stuff made? Anyway, what's next?
Mm.
Oh, you're still eating. Yeah, so you really gotta shovel that down, don't you? Let's save some space for the rest of the stuff, and interesting how we're going to go about this Maggi noodles. This is being our
I love
first
plenty
video.
of space.
Yeah,
Pepsi now.
Pepsi. Let me just
So hit-
wash it down. Wash this Nutella down with this.
I do my gully drain thing.
Really. Really weak the flavour.
Excuse me.
This Coca-Cola, the flavour's a lot weaker. It's not as strong or gritty as gritty. As
I wouldn't have had to do
Australian
that if you hadn't nicked off with my napkins.
one. Oops. Anyway, Tic Tac lady.
I really would prefer orange Tic Tacs. Orange Tic Tacs.
Yeah, I
Pepsi.
couldn't find them. Oh yeah, that's right.
Who's getting sidetracked? Pepsi.
No, I love this. I really do love this. We just recently got this, what, 6 months ago in Australia? 6 months to about a year ago? Well, I've been
don't know.
drinking it for
I
about
don't drink
6
Pepsi.
months. You can pour me more.
Say when?
Yeah, when? Okay.
I know I'm not going to like this.
It smells like Scotch and Coke.
I do like the shape of the bottle at the bottom here, though.
Oh yeah, with the grip, the hand grip.
It's sort of like a swirl.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Don't think you'd be able to see that on camera, but yeah. Maybe we can work out something after. How about we get some of this and put it out the way?
See, swirly.
And just drop the twisties everywhere.
Alright. Maybe I'll be able to get rid of the flavour of the Pepsi with it. No, I'm not biased at all.
There's a little bit of hint of raw noodle flavour in that.
Oh, that smells disgusting.
I like it. Oh,
Kiss me.
it fully gives Dr. Pepper a run for its money.
Oh, it smells like...
It's like strong.
It smells like medicine. Oh, God. I poured too much.
Oh.
How can you drink that S word?
Oh. That stuff's a bomb. If you like cherry Dr.
Oh.
Pepper, you might actually do
I
like
can't even get this up to my mouth. I gotta drink this? Really? Oh, yeah.
I think we're going to have to take a break in a minute and prepare some noodles.
Oh,
Alright.
oh, that's horrible. Give me cola. You drink that. You drink that. I want cola. Oh, that's horrible. That is bloody horrible.
Alright.
Pepsi, what did you do?
I think we have to take a break here. We'll get back to you and we'll make these noodles in the meantime.
No, I'm going to sit here and drink this cola while you...
Really? You ready? We're going to cut?
No, I'm drinking my cola.
Cut.